Hey, everybody. To the graduating students who came in 2016 and have worked so hard, congratulations. You've had vision for your life and how God might use you, and you have finished. Congratulations. Now, there is a lot more work to be done. There is a whole life to come back and live in service and, to do the things that we've set out to do. But today we say good job, well done, and congratulations. To all international students who are graduating, I just want to share this challenge with you, which is to not live safe. Safe can be a temptation to not take risks, to think only about how much money you have, how much money you will make, and to think of yourself above others. God gave you a great opportunity, and it has blessed your life, I'm sure, coming to Corbin. I know you have been a blessing to us in our community. And as you finish and think about what's next, don't try to be safe. Try to do what God tells you, and try to not look back on what He told you long ago to do. Try to also ask, but what is He telling me today? What is God calling me to do next? And if I'm afraid to do it, maybe that is the right thing to do. To all my brothers and sisters who are graduating, I am so proud of you. I'm so thankful for you in my life. And I pray that you guys go back to where you are from and make a difference for Jesus Christ, serving in His name and with the power of the Holy Spirit. And may more people know about Christ, and may more people see the love of Christ through you in your life, in your job, in your way of service. And may you trust God to do something big when you step out and trust Him for what is next. Don't worry, be strong and courageous, and just focus on doing what He's told you to do. To my brothers and sisters from Papua, I don't think I will be here when you come back, but please do come back. This place is ready for you. Congratulations to everyone.